The 35th Shraddha Utsav of former Prime Minister Bharat Ratna Rajiv Gandhi and the state level Rajiv Gandhi Pratibha Samman Utsav 2025 were held at Jaydev Bhavan on Wednesday under the chairmanship of State President Satyabrata Naik.
Bandhideepa namastute Shubham karoti kalyanam Arogyam dhana sampadam Satru buddhi vinasaya Deepang jyoti namastute Deepang jyoti namastute.
Former judge of the Orissa High Court, Justice Dr. D.P. Chaudhary, attended the program as chief guest and formally inaugurated the Rajiv Gandhi Pratibha Samman Utsav by lighting the ceremonial lamp. Addressing the gathering, Justice Dr. Chaudhary called upon the youth to dedicate themselves towards building an India free from exploitation, corruption and inequality in line with the ideals of Rajiv Gandhi. He praised Rajiv Gandhi's visionary role in transforming India in the fields of information and communication technology and described voting as the greatest weapon of democracy. He urged the younger generation not to weaken this democratic power through temptation, addiction or irresponsible conduct. Former Vice Chancellor of Fakir Mahan University, Professor Kumar Bordas, joined as the keynote speaker. He highlighted Rajiv Gandhi's immense contribution to the advancement of science and technology in India and expressed concern about the growing trend of talented Indian students settling abroad for financial opportunities instead of serving the nation and their parents.
छात्र मान युवक मान से आगामी भविष्य किपर भाव में आगामी दिन में ये देशर जातिर सेवा करने मन भर सेवा मनोवृत्ति सृष्टि करने संगठन जन्म
35 वर्ष धरी उज्जीवित करने दिगरे से निजे 26 वर्ष समय देइचंती संगठन प्रतिनिधित्व करूचंती समस्त को प्रेरित करूचंती सेतिबाई तांकु जेते प्रशंसा करागले मध्य कम हबो आपण मान को अनुरोध करी गोटे जोर करताली दे आयोजक मान को आह्वान तांकु अनुप्राणित करिवा प्रेरित करिवा उत्साहित करिवा मुझे
राजीव गांधी को आज ये तिरुधाम दिवस है मु प्रथम प्रति मोर गभीर श्रद्धांजलि ज्ञापन करुच्ची एवं आशा करुच्ची त्यागपूत जीवन एवं कार्यक्रम आम समस्त को छात्र छात्री मान अधिक उत्साहित कर आगामी दिन में निजर भविष्य गठन कर
युवपीढ़ी माने अच्छी अभिभावक माने अच्छी जानिबा दरकार जे सब बड़े युवपीढ़ी मानू समस्त प्रकार राजनेता माने राजनैतिक दल माने सब बड़े उत्साहजनक भाषण दियंती एवं सेमानकर जहाँ इन्वेस्टमेंट करिया पड़े से युवपीढ़ी उपर बेसी इन्वेस्टमेंट कर अर्थ से तांकर भविष्य गढ़िया रास्ता से मार्गदर्शन कर
प्रचार विभाग मुख्य तेणु राजीव गांधी सब विषय से कहले एवं राम भाई राजीव गांधी सहित काम करें प्रोफेसर कुमार दास बहुत अनेक जिन जानती एवं सार भाषण प्राय समस्त शुणती इंटरेस्टिंग कथा सार सब कहती तेणु खाली मु राजीव गांधी प्रति मु अखिल भारतीय विद्यार्थी परिषद जड़े आगधारी कार्यकर्ता मोर छात्र जीवन थी परे परे आसिबे अंबिका प्रसाद साहू इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ फार्मेसी एंड टेक्नोलॉजी सानीपुर अंबिका प्रसाद साहू परे परे आसिबे शुभम नायक कटक
YRC, thank you, class. Shivam Nayak Sweater, Times Higher Secondary School.
Mahapatra. Sri Sarvishta Mahapatra. प्रत्याशा साहू सुश्री सर्विष्ठा महापात्र पदे प्रत्याशा साहू जगदीश महादेव कुमार पात्र
INTUC National Vice President and former Rajya Sabha MP Dr. Ramachandra Kuntia, who attended as guest of honor, recalled Rajiv Gandhi's concern over corruption in governance, mentioning his famous observation that only a fraction of government funds reach the common people. Chairman of the Media Department of the Odisha Pradesh Congress Committee, Arvind Das, also joined as guest of honor and praised Rajiv Gandhi's historic decision to lower the voting age to 18 years. He further acknowledged Rajiv Gandhi's commitment towards secularism, women empowerment through the Panchayati Raj system and focused development of the KBK region. Former Minister Suresh Kumar Rautrai and Editor-in-Chief of Paryabhekhak and the Kalinga Chronicle, Dr. Pavitra Mohan Samantarai, also attended as guests of honor and shared their experiences regarding Rajiv Gandhi's multifaceted personality and leadership qualities. In his presidential address, Satyabrata Nayak stated that the best tribute to Rajiv Gandhi would be for today's talented students and youth to dedicate themselves to selfless service and nation building. Rajiv Gandhi Students Forum North Odisha Coordinator Josna Rautrai delivered the welcome address, while the organization's General Secretary Manush Ranjankar proposed the vote of thanks. During the program, 140 talented students and youths from across Odisha who excelled in NCC, NSS, Youth Red Cross, Scouts and Guides, Science, Art, Music, Literature, ODC Dance, Sports, Acting and Social Service were honored with the state-level Rajiv Gandhi Talent Award by the dignitaries. The program was coordinated by the organization Vice President Krishna Chandra Sahu and coordinators Pratibrata Nayak, Anil Kachhap Singh, Mir Abu Bakar Siddiqui, Prakash Chandra Nayak, Devendra Das, Binod Raut, Sagar Ranjan Parida, Shiv Prasad Das and Anil Mohante. Reported by Priyabrata Nayak and Devaprasad Mohanty from Bhubaneswar, Kalingo Chronicle TV.